Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Tello Mobile eSIM in just a few easy steps. First, purchase your eSIM plan from the official Tello Mobile website. Next, check your email. You'll receive a QR code after purchasing. On your phone, go to Settings, Mobile Data, and add eSIM. Tap Use QR code and scan the code you receive. Set the label to secondary, then choose primary for your default line and iMessage. Make sure data roaming is turned on. And that's it. Your Tello Mobile eSIM is now activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.